Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular drones for beginners, the SIMREX X300C mini drone and the 2KHD FPV drone. In this video, we'll discuss their features, pricing, and user experience to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the SIMREX X300C mini drone is priced at an affordable $59, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the 2KHD FPV drone is priced at $89, which reflects its advanced features and capabilities. While both drones offer great value, the choice ultimately depends on your budget and what you're looking for in a drone. In terms of features, the SIMREX X300C mini drone comes equipped with a 720p HD camera, altitude hold, and gravity control, making it user-friendly for beginners. In contrast, the 2KHD FPV drone offers a higher resolution camera, 1-key takeoff and landing, and 3-speed modes, providing more versatility for users. If you're looking for advanced functionalities, the 2KHD FPV drone might be the better option. Both drones are designed with beginners in mind, but they offer different user experiences. The SIMREX X300C mini drone is compact and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for kids and novice users. Meanwhile, the 2KHD FPV drone, with its advanced features like altitude hold and headless mode, provides enhanced control and stability, making it suitable for those looking to grow their flying skills. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your experience level and what you hope to achieve with your drone. In conclusion, both the SIMREX X300C mini drone and the 2KHD FPV drone offer unique advantages for beginners. The choice between them will depend on your budget, desired features, and user experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.